everybody, it's Jared Frank here. I'm going to do a Tannerite video today again. A lot of Tannerite videos you see on the internet are heavy loads, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds and up. And it's pretty spectacular results they get out of that. It doesn't leave much of what they blow up. But what we'll do today is kind of demonstrate what only 1 pound will do. So, what do we got here, Frank?
Well, we've got a 35-gallon drum here, plastic drum, obviously. We cut the top off, so we're gonna have this thing set upside down, and we're gonna place it inside that drum right there, and we're gonna shoot it with only, like you said, only a pound. We're gonna see what a smaller amount does, to where it doesn't just demolish it, but kind of see the aftermath of it. And I guess we'll see if it's gonna be worth doing again.
Yep. Just for the people at home that aren't familiar with Tannerite, but how much does that cost out here in West Texas?
Give or take, you can usually buy 2 pounds for about 20 bucks on average. You know, if you buy it in a 10-pound box, it's give or take about $75. So this is about $10 worth of Tannerite going into this.
Sweet. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see it. Oh yeah, split it right all the way up and down. Yeah, it's burning buckshot at it. And out of 5 shots, I do believe I hit it 4 times, or 3 or 4 times.
You can hear it too. That was a pound of Tannerite.
Not bad.
Hey guys, that's gonna be it for us for this video. As always, please like and comment. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more stuff coming your way. So y'all be safe out there. God bless.
Trigger lines out.